Hello, John Talley here with Partzilla.com. Today, we're going to talk about Bel-Ray oils and lubricants. Now, Bel-Ray as a company has been around since 1946. And originally, they got into mining equipment of all things. But later, in the 70s, they decided to stick their toe into motorcycle and motocross in particular. Now, if you're old like I am, you probably have fond memories of their MC1 oil. Now, I've burned many a gallon of that mixture in my day, starting back in 1976 with this particular motorcycle. Now, to think that that's all that Bel-Ray is known for, you'd be sorely mistaken. They have an unbelievably broad and comprehensive line of products dedicated to the powersports industry. It doesn't matter if you're talking about a street bike, a motocross bike, an ATV, a side-by-side, watercraft, jet skis. They've got it covered no matter what you need for your machine. Regardless if you need engine oil, transmission oil, differential fluid, fork fluid, brake fluid, grease for the different joints and fittings, you name it, Bel-Ray has got you covered. Now the question is, which one do you need for your particular machine? Well, as always, hopefully you still have your owner's manual. Inside of that manual is going to give you a set of specifications that are going to work best for your machine, and then also guide you as to what viscosity, especially on the engine oil, that you're going to need to choose depending on what environment that you're running your machine in. Now, it doesn't matter if it's an ATV, motorcycle, snowmobile, or a side-by-side. All these rules are going to be applied the same way, specific to your machine from the manufacturer. Now, one of the choices you will have to make outside of your owner's manual is which type of formulation do you want to go with? Mineral-based, a semi-synthetic, or a full synthetic for your engine oil. Now, if you're still running a two-stroke machine, I hate to tell you, but they don't make the MC1 oil anymore. But fear not, they have not one, not two, but three different oils that you can choose from that I bet smell and perform even better than the original MC1 that I remember. So you have a choice of a range anywhere from a mineral up to a full synthetic for your particular application. And it's probably best that they don't make the MC1 oil anymore, because it would not play well with the new crop of power valve engines. And let's face it, there are very few two-strokes out there now that do not have a power valve. Bel-Ray has a full lineup of all the different chemicals that you're going to need for your machine, whether it be foam filter oil, fork oil, coolant, greases, chain cleaner, chain lube. I mean, you name it. Whatever your machine is needing on its maintenance schedule, Bel-Ray is going to have it. Bel-Ray also has specific formulations for your big displacement V-twin engine. But once again, you have to determine which viscosity and then which formula that you want to run in your beast. Now, as far as your transmission or differential, they have a full lineup ranging from 75 weight all the way up to 140 for a standard transmission or a hypoid type. So there you go, guys. Bel-Ray has a complete lineup no matter what you need for your power sports vehicle. And just in case you have a Caterpillar 797 in your backyard that needs the oil changed, well, they can handle that too with a 55-gallon drum. Just remember, order two, because you're going to need it. Well, listen, if you're still having trouble zeroing in on what you need for your machine, give us a call or drop us a chat, and we can guide you to the best product for your particular application. We just want to say thanks for watching this video and shopping at Partzilla.com, and we will see you in the next video. Y'all have a great day.